Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change audio on Instagram Reel after posting. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to go onto the Reel section and select any reel. Then you need to click on three dots, and then you need to click on delete and click the delete button. Then you need to click on the plus icon and you need to post reel again, and on the top you will find a music option. Click on that and you can add audio from here. You can select any audio and you can add into your reel. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.